Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more natural health tips and easy-to-follow recipes. Today, we're diving into the world of clove tea, one of the most powerful natural remedies. We'll cover 12 amazing health benefits, how to make clove tea at home, and go over some important precautions you should know. Before we dive in, make sure to stick around until the end of the video for a bonus tip that will show you how to take clove tea to the next level with a simple ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's dive in. 1. Improves digestion. Clove tea is well known for its ability to improve digestion. Cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, helping to reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. If you're feeling discomfort after meals, clove tea can act as a natural remedy to soothe your digestive system. Carminative properties in cloves also help relieve trapped gas, making you feel more comfortable and less bloated. 2. Supports respiratory health. Clove tea is fantastic for your respiratory system. It's especially useful during the colder months or allergy season, as it helps clear out congestion and soothe the throat. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help relieve coughs and reduce mucus buildup, making it easier to breathe. If you have a cold or a sore throat, sipping on clove tea can offer quick relief. 3. Antibacterial properties. Cloves contain a powerful compound called eugenol, which has strong antibacterial properties. Drinking clove tea regularly can help fight off harmful bacteria in your body. This can be particularly beneficial for oral health, helping prevent bad breath and reducing the risk of infections in the mouth. 4. Promotes dental health. Clove oil is often used to treat toothaches and gum pain, but drinking clove tea offers similar benefits. The natural antiseptic properties of cloves can help reduce gum inflammation and temporarily ease pain from toothaches. While it's not a replacement for professional dental care, clove tea can provide temporary relief from oral discomfort. If you're ever in a pinch and dealing with a mild toothache, a cup of clove tea can help soothe the pain. 5. Supports bone health. Cloves are an excellent source of manganese, an essential mineral for bone health. Manganese helps the body form strong bones and connective tissues, which is especially important as we age. Drinking clove tea regularly may help improve your bone density and reduce the risk of bone-related issues like osteoporosis. For those who want to keep their bones strong and healthy, clove tea is a natural way to provide additional support. 6. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic conditions, from arthritis to cardiovascular disease. Clove tea is rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation throughout the body. This makes clove tea a great choice for people who experience joint pain, muscle soreness, or other inflammatory issues. Drinking clove tea regularly can help reduce swelling and inflammation, promoting overall comfort and mobility. 7. Improves heart health. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has been shown to support heart health by improving circulation. It may even help lower blood pressure over time, making it beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular health. By promoting better blood flow, clove tea helps protect against issues like high blood pressure and heart disease. Adding clove tea to your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your heart. 8. Supports liver function. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, and clove tea can support its function. Cloves help protect the liver from oxidative stress and damage caused by toxins, making it easier for the liver to perform its cleansing role. The antioxidants in cloves help repair liver tissue and maintain its health. If you're looking to give your liver a gentle boost, clove tea is a natural way to help detoxify and protect this vital organ. 9. Aids in weight loss. Clove tea can also help with weight loss by boosting your metabolism. The compounds in cloves stimulate your body's metabolism, making it more efficient at burning calories. If you drink clove tea regularly and combine it with a healthy diet and exercise, it can support your weight loss efforts and help reduce bloating. Clove tea is a great addition to your morning or evening routine if you're trying to shed a few pounds. 10. Regulates blood sugar. Cloves have been shown to improve insulin function, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes or insulin resistance, drinking clove tea can help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar. It's a natural way to help stabilize your levels throughout the day, but be sure to consult with your doctor if you're managing any serious blood sugar conditions. 11. Boosts immune system. Cloves have antiviral and antibacterial properties, which can strengthen your immune system. Drinking clove tea regularly can help ward off common colds, flu, and other infections. It's especially beneficial during cold and flu season when your immune system needs a little extra support. If you feel like you're coming down with something, sipping on clove tea can help boost your defenses. 12. Natural pain reliever. Clove tea is a natural pain reliever thanks to the eugenol it contains. Whether you're dealing with headaches, muscle aches, or minor injuries, clove tea can help alleviate discomfort. The analgesic properties of cloves can help numb pain and reduce inflammation, providing temporary relief without the need for over-the-counter painkillers. Next time you have a headache or minor ache, try reaching for a cup of clove tea instead of the medicine cabinet. How to make clove tea. Now that you know all the amazing benefits, let's move on to how you can easily make clove tea at home. Here's what you'll need: 5 cloves, 1 cup of water, and optionally, honey or lemon for flavor. Start by boiling 1 cup of water. Once the water is boiling, add the 5 cloves to the pot. If you want to release more of the flavor and benefits, you can lightly crush the cloves before adding them to the water. Let the cloves simmer in the boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want your tea to be. Once the tea has finished steeping, strain it into a cup. If you prefer a bit of sweetness or added flavor, you can add honey or a slice of lemon to your tea. That's it. You now have a warm, aromatic cup of clove tea ready to drink. Bonus tip: enhance clove tea with cinnamon. For an even more powerful brew, try adding cinnamon to your clove tea. Cinnamon is known for its incredible health benefits, like balancing blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. When you combine cinnamon with cloves, you create a soothing, antioxidant-packed tea that enhances both flavor and wellness. To make this combo, just add half a cinnamon stick or a pinch of ground cinnamon when you're boiling the water with the cloves. Let them simmer together for 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll have a deliciously spiced tea that not only warms you up, but also boosts your immune system and overall health. It's a simple addition that takes the benefits of clove tea to the next level. Precautions. Before you make clove tea a regular part of your diet, here are a few precautions to keep in mind. While cloves can support liver health in moderate amounts, excessive consumption may actually lead to liver damage due to the compound eugenol. Drinking too much clove tea or using large amounts of clove oil can put stress on the liver, so it's important to limit your intake to 1 cup of tea per day. Blood thinning. Cloves contain eugenol, which can thin the blood. If you're taking blood-thinning medication or have a surgery planned, consult your doctor before drinking clove tea regularly. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to cloves. If you experience any signs of an allergic reaction, such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, stop drinking clove tea immediately and seek medical advice. Pregnancy. Pregnant women should be cautious with clove tea, as excessive consumption could have adverse effects. Always consult your doctor before adding clove tea to your pregnancy diet. That wraps up today's video. Clove tea is a fantastic natural remedy with so many health benefits, but remember, it's important to enjoy it in moderation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.